Cleanse your kidneys of toxins. Treat diabetes, asthma, and cholesterol with this amazing one-ingredient drink. Okra is a name of a plant which is most often used in the United States, the UK and the Philippines. The plant and seeds are known as lady's finger. A cup of okra has 3 grams dietary fiber, 2 grams protein, 30 calories, only 0.1 grams of fat, 7.6 grams of carbs, 60 micrograms of magnesium, 80 micrograms of folate and 21 milligrams of vitamin C. When it comes to our health, this is what makes okra a nutrition hero and a very available food. You can reap the health benefits of this green vegetable any time of the year. You can consume it boiled, stewed, fried, or even in pickled form. Okra is a herb that is really effective in patients with diabetes. Also, it will help you to alleviate asthma, boost the immunity, lower the cholesterol, and prevent kidneys diseases. You can control the blood sugar level naturally with this simple recipe. Take 4 fresh okras. Cut their tails and heads. Put 2 to 3 cuts and dip them in a glass of water and leave them overnight. 30 minutes before breakfast, drink that water. It will help you to control the sugar level. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.